Okay, we are almost coming to a close with percents. So let's go ahead and deal with some applications, mainly markup and discounts. So normally um, stores will use markups because they'll purchase items or they'll purchase something and they'll buy it at wholesales and really good prices. So they'll go in and they'll put a percentage on the profit of what they want to make on it, and they call it actually your retail price. So you have a wholesale and retail, and then there's another price that come in, which is called the sale price. So again, let's take a look at how this works. Um, Before you saw problems with percent of increase or decrease. So now you will look at those applications that I just mentioned, and then why you want to do so is so you can calculate the actual sale price, whether it's the retail price or some actual product that's on sale. Okay, so let's take a look at a problem. So the first problem that we want to work, and we're just going to work a couple, is we have backpacks that's on sale. And well, I did say on sale, so I want to change that and say no, we don't know whether they're on sale or not. So let's just say the store has backpacks, and the backpacks were purchased by the store at a wholesale price of $14, and they decided to give the product a 40% markup. Okay, so if they're giving it a 40% markup, now our job is to use two steps and try to find the retail price. Okay, so step one tell us that we first have to find the amount of the markup. So we want to find the amount of the markup, not the percent, but the amount. Okay, so in order to do that, we must multiply 14, and I want to make that 14 a little plainer. So here we'll multiply 14 times, and I think I'm going to make that an x because, well, let's put it in parentheses because I have the decimal here. We're going to use 14 times 0.40. And the reason why is I used 40% and I used the decimal in front of it. Remember we talked about that earlier. Okay, so here, let's go up here to the side somewhere, and we have 14 times 0.40. I'm going to put my 0 to the side because we know that 0 times anything is 0, so we don't really have to utilize that 0. Just put it off to the side. 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 1 is 4, and that's 5. So they're going to mark it up by the amount of $5.60. Okay, so that's going to give us $5.60. That's our markup, not the retail price yet, only the markup. Now step 2 tells us that we want to add the markup to the wholesale price. So step 2 says add the markup to the wholesale price. And remember, the wholesale price in this case was $14. So now we will add 14 plus $5.60. And let's go up here and do that. So we have 14.00 times plus 5.60. We're adding 0, 6, put my decimal, 9, 1. Okay, so that tells us that, let me go ahead and write the answer, and I'm going to change color so we can understand exactly what we did. So we see now that the retail price of the item retail price of the backpacks are $19.60 each. Okay, markup, how we determine the retail price, 2 steps. All right.